Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's a very exciting day to me. It's around 7-8 a.m. in the morning. So you guys saw my last video. I was in a boosted Integra up in North. Thank you, bus. Boosted Integra up in North, and having experienced Hondas, and I've been flirting with this idea. I've decided to finally get a Honda. So the M5 E60 has to wait for a little while. Yeah. Let the journey begin. So yeah, bro, how you doing? You alright?
Nice to meet you, mate.
What are we doing? Handshake today?
Yeah,
good, good.
Why not? Covered.
Yeah, so this is it basically. Yeah, man. What can you tell me briefly about the car? How long?
Well,
how long you've owned it till I got it?
I've had it for about 3 years.
Yeah.
Bought it as is. Well, the spoiler was there, and pretty much loved it ever since then. Got me into Honda's new Jack album.
Yeah, yeah.
And then pretty much haven't done much to it. Put an exhaust on it, and then just canyon
Excellent.
carving, going to Wales, been to Scotland.
Yeah, yeah, and it serves you well, didn't it?
Yeah, it served me well for all the times I've owned it.
Yeah.
Never had any problems with it. I'm just happy it's going.
I remember you mentioned that you were trying to race a Porsche, weren't you, once?
Yeah, racing a Porsche. Went from 4th to 5th, had a bit of a struggle. Ground the gear, and I killed reverse. So after that, I thought, yeah, I think it's time to sell it.
Excellent, excellent. No, it's in good paint condition. I'm very happy with that. So hopefully, yeah, let the journey begin today.
Here are your keys.
There you go, guys. Officially a Honda man.
To me, this is slow. I'm trying hard. You haven't proved up no bumpers yet.
Yep. Well, guys, so here it is. Here's the beast. All thanks to God, and I'm very grateful for this opportunity. And guess who I'm with? Big man thing before, so of course, guys, I can't do this project on my own at all. It's my first time, and I went with a brother who is professional, and he's done this many times. He builds a lot of race cars. So as I said before, guys, if you need proper knowledge, proper advice, proper tips, and you want to maybe speak to him for some really good builds for competitive race, give him a shout. He'll definitely help you out, guys. And yeah, we'll take it from there. Hi guys, how you doing? As I was editing this video you're watching right now, I realized I didn't actually take time out to explain to you guys what I'm actually doing. You'll see further on down the line in this video what I've actually intended to do, but before we get there, let me give you a quick brief summary. So basically, I've got Integra DC2 Type R Japan edition. So the front end looks, well, it's a Japanese import. It's different to the UK spec, and I believe the US spec as well. So what I've intended to do is to swap the 1.8 engine that already came with for a K20, and K20s are typically found in the Honda Civic Type R's EP3. I think they range from what, 2002, 2001, 2 to 2005. I'm sure someone will correct me in the comments. Yeah, so basically I'm intending to swap the engine from that into my Integra. It is referred to as a K-swap. So I'm doing that, and I intend to hopefully have it NA, run it as much as I can, and possibly in the future, who knows, maybe go a boost. I hope you keep watching, guys. Take care. Yo guys, I just want to quickly talk about the stuff that's going to go in this beautiful project. So we got over here the K-swap loom and the K-swap wiring. We've got K-swap shifter, K-swap exhaust manifold, K-Pro 4 ECU, stage 4 clutch, shifting loom, some more mounts and fuel are going on. So guys, I'm really looking forward to it. Big shout out to Big Man Team Performance. He's the one who's helped me source this beautiful project. So if you guys need anything from him, make sure you follow his page and drop him a DM. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome back. That's this guy right here. I'm back. I'm back on my way to Birmingham. I've got the inlet manifold. I've got the throttle body. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna get an update of the build, and hopefully it will be done very soon. Yes, there you go, guys. This is the old engine, the B18C JDM edition, I guess. They've got Japanese writing, so there you go. Must be JDM. And yeah, it's out of the beast, in with the new. There it is, guys. guys. There you go, guys. So the K20's gone in. We're getting the inlet manifold over there and the throttle body going in. So the battery's been relocated to the back. It was there originally, but it's going to stay there. This is the seat. So we've got the brand new asphalt engine mounts in. The fuel rail is going in soon. And yeah, this is looking really, really promising so far. There you go, guys, for reference. That's the fuel rail system and this K20. And that's the K20 swap exhaust, basically, manifold downpipe. And at some point, definitely, you'll get this resprayed. And yeah, go from there. So we've got engine oil, gearbox oil and antifreeze going in fresh new, along with a brand new radiator. Project looking good. Yo guys, I'm back once again. This is the third trip I've done up to Birmingham. Back at Garage GP3 to get another update. So yeah, stay tuned, let's see what happens. Oh, by the way guys, for those of you who are familiar with Garage GP3, they've actually recently moved units to like a better location. And yeah, as you can see behind me guys, I'll show you around properly. He's got much more cars than the owner of Garage GP3. So if we're lucky, if we're fortunate enough today, I might take one out. So immediately when you roll in, you see this crazy looking wide body Civic EP3. Look at the arches on that. Damn. Not messing about. See from the other angle guys. I like this, man, looks pretty epic. Something totally different. Yeah, if you just roll in, look at these wide arches guys. As you can see, it's been widened, so obviously it's going to be running wider tires. Love the rims. It's got like a deep dish look to it. Slightly on the dirty side, but that's not his fault obviously. Go over to the front, look at it from the side. Still tires popping out. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Get a little glimpse on the inside if you. Nope, can't. Shadow's too bad. But yeah, so immediately you see something like this. Pretty insane. As you can see guys, there's more and more Civics and especially EP3s here. That's what they specialise in. And over here there's an interesting Nissan Micra with a modified SR20 engine, turbocharged with roll cage. Guys, cannot wait for this to be on the channels one day in the future. And yeah, carbon boot lid. Let's see guys. Very nice. As you can see guys, none of the cars are pretty much standard here. They're all quite modified aftermarket brake. This one's actually got carbon bonnet, which is pretty cool. Really cool thing guys, from every single angle that I look at it. Cool sticker system as well. Aftermarket rims. Some aftermarket Brembos. Probably been to the Nürburgring. I've also did that guys, just want to show you the inside. I'm trying to look through here. Medium one guys. White this one. Another customer's coming for some work. Over here we'll have another customer's car, this one a 1.8 litre V18 turbo. It's coming for some special work, as you can see. Lovely roll cage on the side. And here's my one. So, some more work getting done guys. As you can see now, the inlet and the throttle body has gone in. The fuel rail has gone in. They've had to readjust the wires because, yeah, needed some wiring work. Looks good in this light. Can't wait for this to be finished. It nearly tripped over. Yeah guys, I can see. It's very... The shifting, hybrid shifting mechanism's gone in. I'm so excited for this man, I'm so excited. The Recaro seat's looking good. Probably some good cleanup. Yeah, I'm loving this light, man. I think I need one of these for Mr. V10 reviews. An temporary ECU there, guys. The K Pro 4 ECU is going in off to the map. There's another angle of that. yeah, pretty much it, guys. Shows up. Oh, come on. Good, how you doing, man? You alright?
Yeah, how's it looking?
Good, man. Good. It's inside the unit and final bits, really.